Hey guys, how you doing? This is Kirk here on the Kirk Hustle Revolution. Welcome back, everybody. Want to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel. Everybody coming back, thanks. Today we hit just a little over 500 subs. I'm really grateful to everybody. I'm grateful for the comments, grateful for the emails, everybody reaching out. Listen, you guys want any info on anything that I'm talking about? The email is down below. You can send me an email. I got my number all over the place as well. You can call me up. But, listen, I'm here to help everybody out. As you guys know, I'm doing the reselling of the diabetic strips. Been doing that for a minute. We're working on the courier service stuff, too. I've been putting that information out there. The courier service stuff, man, I've been doing that for well over, I don't know, I'm going to say 20 years. I think I started the courier service back in 1996, 97, in that area. I worked for a couple of local companies, some very big companies here in the Northeast where I live, and I also started my own services on the side. But today, I want to talk about great side hustles involving the courier service, but I'm really focusing on one thing, and that is delayed or lost luggage delivery, all right? Look, this is huge, nationwide. Wherever there's an airport, people always ask me that, is this available in my area? And I tell you, if you have an airport in your area, then guess what? These services are available. There are companies in your area that offer these services. There are apps that you sign up to. And just like everything else, I tell everybody, of course, I'm going to drop some good companies here and a couple of good apps for everybody to sign up on. But just like everything else, what are the requirements? Look, usually you got to be between 18 and 21 years old, right? That's one. You need to have a vehicle that's probably no older than 10 years. A lot of companies require that. They want to make sure that your vehicle is reliable, that it's not going to break down, because some of these deliveries, as far as luggage, are time sensitive, okay? Next thing is what? Have a vehicle that's insured. Have a vehicle that's registered, okay? Have a driver's license, an updated, clean driver's license, all right? Some of them require you to do like a little DMV, I think it's called a face sheet, all right, where you send them a driver's license report. Some of them ask you to do it. Some of them, they do it themselves. Some of these companies also sometimes ask you for a background check, and a lot of times they ask you to pay for it. I would stay away from those companies. Look, if they want to do a background check on you, fine, let them pay for it. But if they start asking for like $25, $30, $50, whatever it is, avoid it. Move on to the next company. The few ones that I'm giving you today, they're pretty good, all right? One of them is Bags Inc. Go to their website, check them out, do everything. They're a VIP luggage delivery service, all right? Go there, check for, openings in your area, go through the entire format, let them reach out to you, all right? See how that works, all right? The other one is GADS, Great American Delivery System, all right? Lost Luggage Delivery. They're all over the place too as well. Check them out, all right? They're pretty good. They pay well. And let me tell you, some of these gigs, you can make upwards between $200 and $500 a day doing this. All right. I mean, it could just be an everyday thing. Some people can do it part-time. Some people can do it full-time. It's all up to you on where you want to take it to. And what's good about, this is that you can combine it with other courier service apps throughout the day. You have companies like Roadie. All right. Roadie's, one company that, in certain areas it pays very well. In other areas it doesn't. It all depends on what it is that they're working with that day. So always do this at your own discretion and see what works for you. But you can jump in between gigs all day long. You can do luggage for half the day. You can do, warehouse parts for another part of the day. You can do medical courier for a certain part of the day. But you can always go back and forth. See, like Roadie's all over the place. They do a lot of construction supplies. They're doing luggage as well. They do luggage now. So, when the peak season hits, look, now is peak season. It's summertime. Holidays come around. As far as I'm concerned, all year round, as far as luggage delivery, it happens. Airlines are always either misplacing, luggage, they're losing it, they end up on another flight, they end up on another truck, and guess what? Somebody's somewhere missing their luggage, and you're that person that's going to go out there and pick it up and deliver it. And a good thing about that is that, a lot of times when you show up with the luggage, not only are you getting paid by the app, by the service and the company that you're working with, right? But you're also getting tips. So that's the side benefit as well, all right? The other one is, hold on a second, let me get to it, because there's another one, drop-off. Drop-off is another one as well. Now, drop-off, they have been known to be in the medical courier service industry, all right? So there's another bonus. You can combine the medical courier service with drop-off, also with the luggage delivery and whatever other delivery apps you have. Download it. Look, guys, the hustle is there. The money is out there, all right? I'm going to keep finding the best companies and the best apps. I have like another 7, but I like to do the research myself. I sign up for these courier services myself. I go through the process. I want to see that it's legit. I want to see that it's good. Roadie, I'm constantly on Roadie every day checking out, because sometimes I'll jump in on, on whatever job is available if it's worth it. If it's paying, $50, $60, $70, I'm doing it. And in my area, it usually pays well. All right, there's constantly gigs going on, and if I have nothing else to do, that's what I'm doing. I'm picking up a job, I'm picking the stuff up, I'm making a delivery, coming back, and in between, guess what? I take a little break and I make some videos for everybody else here, and I pass off the knowledge and the information for you. Guys, courier service is huge. I'm going to have some more apps. Take a look at those that I gave you. Drop Off, Bags Inc., right? Roadie, and Gads, all right? Check it out, GADS. There's one more too. Go Share is another one. I'm going to personally go on there tonight and check them out. I'm going to sign up with them. I heard they were really good, and I also heard that they're offering the luggage delivery as well. I want to jump in on this luggage delivery thing, especially in my area. I have the space, I have the truck, I have the time, and I have a major airport right literally 20 minutes away from my house. 20 minutes away from my house. Guys, jump on this, hit that link on the bottom, whatever it is. My email is down there. Send me some info, all right? Any questions you have. And again, thanks for coming back to the Kirk Hustle Revolution. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Bye.